Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how you can fix Valve anti-cheat was unable to verify that your machine is secure for Dota 2. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, go on Steam and then look for Dota 2, right click on it, go to Properties, Installed Files and Browse. Here you need to find on, you need to click on Game and delete the bin folder here, and then look for Dota 2 folder and then delete Dota folder and delete bin as well. Then you can close this, go to install files and verify integrity of the game files. And after that, look if the problem persists or not. And if this did not work, sometimes it can be caused by NVIDIA app. So what you need to do here, you need to go to installed apps. On installed apps, you need to look for NVIDIA and then just delete NVIDIA app here and restart your computer. Look if the problem persists. So that's pretty much it. If I help you out, please press like.